Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today I'm going to be unboxing this Blue Yeti Nano, and the reason I actually bought this is because as I'm basically doing some of these videos, I noticed that the quality basically wasn't really up to par. Now, the reason being is because I'm actually using this microphone that's from this Corsair headset, so to do all the recordings. And of course, that microphone isn't quite up to par. I mean, it might be good to game, just to communicate, but I was basically looking for a little bit something a little bit better. So basically, I went right ahead and picked up this Blue Yeti Nano. And yeah, so let's go right ahead and get to it. Alright, so before I actually open this up, I just want to show you the front of the box. So here is, of course, Blue Yeti Nano, and the color that I chose was actually a shadow gray. And let's see, so here is the side of it right here. This is the back, and here's the other side. So yeah, let's go right ahead and open this up. Okay. Alright, let's see, how in the world does this just come out? Yep, just comes out. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. So there we go. So what we're greeted first is, of course, some documentation right here. Of course, I'm just going to go right ahead and put this to the side. There we go. So this is how it looks inside. Let me just go ahead and flip it this way. Right there. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So here we have the USB cable. And it does look like it is a micro USB. There it is. Okay, cool. And it looks like we do have a mounting adapter right there. And of course, let's see. We have the Blue Yeti Nano right here. So it looks nice. Of course, there we go. Okay, so here is a close-up for this Blue Yeti Nano. And as you can see, basically the front, we do have a volume button right here, or dial. And you can actually mute it right here by just clicking on this. So if it turns red, that means you're muted. Of course, let's go ahead and look down here. So we do have the microphone jack here, as well as we do have, like I said, this little, what is it, microphone stand adapter that you could go ahead and attach to this. And of course, we have the micro USB right here. Alright, so on the other side we do have, of course, two options for the patterns. And of course, right now the one that is selected is the cardioid. And of course, we could always change that to omnidirectional. So the build quality is pretty good. I mean, I'm very happy with this. I mean, it is durable. It is gonna last me some time. And of course, like I said earlier in the video, you know, hopefully this will actually improve the audio quality of my videos going on forward. So I am really happy with this purchase, absolutely. Well, everybody, that is basically the end of this quick unboxing. And like always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.